Today I'm going to show you exactly how to install fonts into Adobe Premiere Pro the right way, so you can start using new fonts in your titles, captions, lower thirds, and motion graphics without any confusion. This is one of those small editing skills that makes a huge difference, because once the font is installed on your computer, Premiere Pro can recognize it and use it across your projects. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Premiere Pro tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to understand is that Premiere Pro does not usually install fonts on its own. Instead, it pulls fonts from your operating system. So the real job is to install the font on Windows or macOS first, and then Premiere Pro will automatically detect it. That means the process is simple, but it has to be done in the correct order. Start by downloading the font from a trusted font website. Most of the time, the font will come in a compressed zip file. Once the download is finished, save it somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder or desktop. Then, if you're on Windows, right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. If you're on a Mac, just double-click the folder to open it. Inside, you should see the actual font files. These are usually ending in .otf or .ttf. Those are the files you need. The other files in the folder, like README documents or licenses, are useful sometimes, but they are not the actual font. Now that you've found the .otf or .ttf file, the next step is to install it into your system. On Windows, right-click the font file and choose Install. If you want the font available for all users on the computer, you can select Install for all users, which is especially helpful if you have admin access. On macOS, the process is just as easy. Double-click the font file and FontBook will open a preview window. From there, click Install Font. After a few seconds, the font should be added to your system library. At this point, the font is now installed on your computer, which means Premiere Pro should be able to see it. If Premiere Pro was already open when you installed the font, you may need to close and reopen it so the new font refreshes properly. This is a very common step that people forget, so if you don't see the font right away, just restart Premiere Pro and check again. Now let's get the font working inside the software. Open your Premiere Pro project and select the text you want to change. You can do this with the Type tool if you're creating a new title, or you can click directly on an existing text layer in your timeline. Once the text is selected, go to Window at the top menu and make sure Properties is open. The Properties panel is where you'll find the text controls you need. In the Text section of the Properties panel, click the Font drop-down menu. This will show you the list of available fonts on your system. If you already know the name of the font, you can simply type it into the search or font field to find it faster. Once you see it, click the font name and Premiere Pro will apply it immediately to your selected text. From there, you can adjust the size, style, weight, spacing, and other settings to match your design. If the font still does not appear, there are a few quick things to check. First, make sure you installed the actual .otf or .ttf file and not just the zip folder. Second, confirm that Premiere Pro has been restarted. Third, make sure the font was installed correctly in your operating system and not just open in a preview window. And finally, if it's a font you downloaded from Adobe Fonts, make sure it has been activated in Adobe Creative Cloud. That brings us to the easiest option for many editors, which is Adobe Fonts. If you don't want to manually download and install font files, you can use Adobe Fonts directly. Inside the Font drop-down menu in the Properties panel, look for the Add Adobe Fonts icon. It usually appears as the Creative Cloud logo. Click that icon and Adobe will open the Adobe Fonts website in your browser. From there, search for the font you want and click Activate. Once activated, it will sync through Creative Cloud and appear in Premiere Pro automatically. This is a great option because it keeps your fonts connected to your Adobe account and makes the process much faster. So to quickly recap, the process is download the font, extract the files, install the .otf or .ttf file onto your system, restart Premiere Pro if needed, and then select the font from the Properties panel. If you prefer, you can also activate fonts through Adobe Fonts and let Creative Cloud handle the syncing for you. And that's how to install fonts into Adobe Premiere Pro. Now you can customize your titles and graphics with the exact style you want, whether you're making YouTube videos, client edits, or social media content. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.